Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're testing for you today, this is very cool. It's a little Watson Marlow hose pump, and I know a lot of you are familiar with these. This is, I think, the 520 series. Has a little number on the back here. Uniquely, we're running on 440 volts right now. The unit has a 1/3 horsepower, and this is an explosion-proof drive. Its own small gear reducer. It does run at single speed. You can add a AC frequency controller if you choose to get variable speed. Uses a range of different hoses. Has little clamping devices here. Just feed your hose through. On our description under our pumps miscellaneous section, you'll find all the data from the manufacturer. We have lots of pumps, process equipment, and packaging in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.